A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, today in Max of class 6, chapter number 5, decimal fraction, we are going to solve worksheet. So our question number 1 is given. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following question. The first one is given 2.5 kg of potatoes equal to dash gram. Student, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 2.5 kg multiplied by 1000, answer is 25,000. But after one number decimal we get answer 2500. So our correct answer is B option, 2500 grams. Second one is given 2 kilometer 225 meter equal to dash kilometer. Here we have to convert into kilometer, bigger unit. So answer will be 2.225 kilometer. Our third question is given, convert 7 upon 25 into decimal fraction equal to dash. So student, any fraction if we want to convert into decimal fraction, denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 goes on. So our denominator is 25. 2500 come how many time? 4 time. So 7 4s are 28, 25 4s are 100. It means 28 upon 100. So 100 means after two number decimal. So our answer is 0.28. The fourth one is given, convert 0.04 into common fraction. After decimal, 2 digits are given. So student, our answer is 4 upon 100, option B. Now, question number 2, solve. The first question is given 250.6 plus 24.127. Decimal number we have to do add. So whenever we write a decimal number, both the decimal number should be below the other number. For example, 250.6, one digit is given after decimal, but in the second one question is given after decimal 3 digits. So we will take 20 extra. Second number is 24.127. Place the number like that, the decimal below should be decimal. So 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 2 is 2. So answer is 274.727. Second one is given 540.26 minus 56.126. Arrange the number, decimal below decimal. From 0 we cannot minus 6. Borrow from the other, cut the 6, make it 5. 0 became 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. What is 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again from 0 we cannot minus 6. Borrow from the 4, became 3. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. From 3 we cannot minus 5. Borrow from the 5, became 4, and 3 became 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And here 4 is given. So 4. So answer is 484.134. Now third one is given 3.6 multiply 2.5. In multiplication there is no need to put the number decimal below decimal. Normally how we multiply? We will multiply like that. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry 0 down, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 18. Now put the 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry 2 down, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So 7 2 0. Now add this number, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry 0 down, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. Now student will carry the decimal. The first number after decimal 1 digit, the second number after decimal 1 digit. 1 plus 1 2 digit, means in answer we'll put after 2 number decimal. Count the number from the right side, 1 2, put the decimal. So here we get 9.00. Now question number 3 is, if 1245 multiplied by 45 is given in your worksheet, please cut 45, write there 34 equal to 42,330, then 12.45 multiplied by 3.4. What is the answer? So student, here there are in all 3 decimal places. If we count here, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 1 digit, it means 3 decimal places are there. So here already we have the answer. 12.45 multiplied by 3.4 equal to 42,330, but we will count the decimal from the right side, 1 2 3, put the decimal. So our answer is 42.330. Now question number 4 is given divide. The first question is given 6.2 divided by 2. Convert the 6.2 into fraction, 62 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. So 62 upon 10 multiply, the number will become in the reciprocal 1 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So here we get 31 upon 10. Answer is 3.1. Second one is given 2.4 divided by 3. So convert the decimal into fraction, then divide become multiply, and 3 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So here we get 8 upon 10 means in the decimal 0.8. The third one is given 22.5 divided by 5. Convert the given decimal into common fraction. So here we get 225 upon 10 multiply the given number into the fraction, convert into reciprocal, that is 1 upon 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 is given, 5 5s are 25. So here we get 45 upon 10. So 45 upon 10 means 4.5. And thank you for watching this video.